Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video I will talk about all the necessary details to proceed for preparation for NEET PG 2021 from a counseling point of view. Total number of seats that we'll discuss, and what is the eligibility criteria, and what would be the exam pattern, marking scheme, and other details we'll talk. And when is the exam, you already know, is on 18th of April, that's announced. Okay, so let's get started. I will try to keep the video very short. So exam date, you already know, NEET PT exam will be conducted computer based on 18th of April on different at different NEET PG exam center. We will update you the information about the exam center later when it will published officially. Seat matrix, how many seats we have? So we are expecting to have 10,081 seats for MS course, that is Master of Surgery, and approx 20,000 seats for MD course, and approx 2,000 PG diploma seats. Okay, apart from these seats there will be non-clinical seats. So these many seats are available, will be available, and we are expecting to get more number of seats. Universities will be added, colleges will be added, and the seat will get increased. So those notification I will keep on sharing with you, but you keep in mind this minimum number of seats will be available. Some of the PG diploma seat might get converted into MS or MD seats, but you keep totally these many seats will be available at least for clinical courses. Coming about talking about exam pattern, so NEET PG exam duration will be of 3.5 hours. It might change, but as of now I'm giving you the update. And then how many questions will be there? So totally 300 questions is expected to come with 4 alternative responses for each questions. And what will be the marking scheme? So if you give correct answer to any question, you will be awarded 4 marks, and for incorrect option, that is negative marking, you will be deducted -1 mark from your total score. So be aware that you don't have to play a blind game in this exam. You have to be sure that you are giving correct answer, otherwise you will be going in loss. And no zero for any question that you didn't touch. So exam syllabus, see, it will be based on your MBBS, what you studied in MBBS, preclinical, clinical, and paraclinical subjects. So this is about a exam pattern. So thanks for watching, and all the best for your preparation. And subscribe to the channel, because I will keep on posting so many videos before we reach very near to the examination date. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a good day. All the best.